Hi YouTube, welcome back to Griffin Grills. I am Griffin, and tonight we are going to do a smash burger variant that's been all over the place. I've seen everybody do this. Chud's done it. Seen a couple of people on the Blackstone Griddle Clubs on Facebook do it. But it's essentially the Crunchwrap version of a smash burger. So we're going to take tortillas, we're going to put 2 patties, meat, cheese, sauce, lettuce, onions, pickles, and wrap that all up and sear it on the top of our Blackstone. But to get that started, we got to cook some patties first. Before we do that though, I need you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification. That way you'll be alerted every time that I upload a video. And if you don't mind, you can always like this video, comment on it, see some other ideas you might want me to try out. And if you don't mind, share it with everybody. That way everybody gets a chance to see it. But I'm going to go ahead and get my patties cranked out right now, and then we're going to show you how to assemble them. We're going to sear them off on here, and of course we're going to taste test. So let's get this party started. And one of my favorite things about cooking on a Blackstone is how easy it is. It's a snap. See? That easy. Let's try it one more time. This has got to be a record. Let's go for one more. Why, it's so easy they almost cook themselves. Alright, so let's go for double up this time. I swear it's magic. Let's get these things assembled and get them tortillas toasted off. So now we're going to assemble the Crunchwrap. I got a burrito shell right here. We're just going to add 2 of our burgers with cheese and also some lettuce. Can't have a Crunchwrap without a little lettuce. And normally this would be where you put a tostada for a Crunchwrap, but we're going to use kettle chips today. Something to kind of give it a little crunch, but also keep it kind of burger themed. We'll add a little bit of onions. Hardest part is keeping everything on there. And I've also got some diced up pickles, because you gotta have pickles on a burger. And then we've got a burger sauce that's called Smash Burger Sauce. I can leave the recipe in the description. So if you want to try this for this dish or just regular smash burgers, I'll leave the directions for it in there. Get them good and saucy. And now I've got these Mission brand street taco shells I'm going to use for the top, just because they're a little smaller. So a regular burrito size shell, and then the top is going to be one of these street taco size. You can give it a little mash down, and then now we just assemble. And I found if you bring both of the sides over, then come straight up here to one side, fold it over, and it makes a little point towards you. The opposite end away from you points away from you, and then just bring them in to the middle. And that's going to go right on our Blackstone and get seared off. So let me get the rest of them assembled, and then we'll be over on the stone. Alright, so we're back outside now, and the seam side is the one you want to put down first. Let it seal that up, then we'll toast off the top. We'll give those a few minutes and then we'll check on them. And that's simply all there is to it. I got one here we're going to taste test, but I wanted to give you a shot of that cross section. All that goody goodness. Alright, fresh hot off of the Blackstone, so let's give it a try, see what we think. Definitely got that smash burger flavor. That sauce is really good. I'm gonna leave it in the description so you'll have a recipe for it. If you don't make these, definitely try it on a regular smash burger. The chips give you a little salty crunch, and then that lettuce, onion, and pickle just comes right in on the back end. Still very tasty. Highly recommend. So that's all we got for you tonight. This has been Griffin Grills. I am Griffin, and if you don't mind, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification. That way you'll get an alert every time that I upload a video. And if you could help me out, go ahead and like, comment, and share this video with your friends. If you got any recipes that you want me to try, products you want me to review, I do all that stuff too. So go ahead and send those in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next one. I got to get this thing cleaned up and shut down, and I got some Crunchwrap smash burgers that are calling my name. So many things to do, so little time to do it. But that's going to be it for us tonight. Catch us on the next one.